Before I did the intensive, I really felt like my range was probably about this much, and I was thinking with that much information. With reading a lot of material, I really felt like there's sometimes characters I see again and again and again. So for me, the intensive made it so I could differentiate between these characters that seem similar. I really feel like since doing the intensive, it revived my joy for the art of acting. I really see it now as being so much fun because I have these new ideas and these new concepts and new ways of thinking about things that I just never thought of before. My world was opened up creatively. If there's any intensive that an actor has to take, it's gotta be this one because it really speaks to you as an artist like nothing else.